Welcome
Back
to
the
Blah Podcast. Good day, everyone. Welcome to episode 5 of the Blah Podcast, and you will soon get to know about the interesting topics for today. And also, you can read it in the title. And I would like to say that I had taken a break of 2 weekends because the monsoon had made me really lazy, as well as I had a lot of studying to do. But I will try to be more regular, and I'll try my best to post this podcast every weekend. So let us get started with it. So today on the podcast we have Radha, who is an alien from Mars.
Sure, I am an alien. Very, very much alien I am.
Yeah, she's right now we are on terrace and she's like dhoop dhoop. I'm trying to tell her that it's evening.
I require sunlight, okay? That's my only food I eat, okay?
Well, was Jadoo green or blue?
Greenish blue, I think.
Oh, acha. I thought he was blue, and then I was wondering that why did he need sunlight, because he didn't have chlorophyll.
Are you doing a lot of biology lately? Just tell me.
Yes,
Okay?
that's why I've not been uploading since 2 weeks.
I know. Studying and all, I know.
Okay, so let's cut and move to the segment 1.
Presenting to you segment 1.
So recently I searched up some short stories and I came across this very cool story where this guy had some superpower and that power was that he can read people's mind. And I was like, wow, this guy has some very cool powers.
That is so cool. I mean, imagine like some of your fake friends standing in front of you and you'll be like, I know you're fake.
I know. And then they
And
would
like
all be bummed.
you can't relate to this situation because you have no fake friends.
Actually.
You're Miss Popular.
Oh, shut up. Okay, no, I'm not Miss Popular. She's joking. Don't take her seriously.
Yeah. Yeah, so
What superpower would you like to have?
now that's a very interesting, and I don't have the answer actually. I would like all superpowers, right?
Like at that particular situation.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, so okay, tell me about you. Then maybe I will decide mine.
I mean, exactly. There's no particular superpower, but I would like to control time, like time pause, replay,
Yeah, me too then.
fast forward.
I mean, that would be so cool to like stop the time or like
and only
going
I can
past.
move. No one else can. If I pause and all.
Yeah, and what would you do? Would you go to
Okay.
McDonald's and
No, okay, suppose I have to do something like there's a submission, okay, let's take an example of submission, and I haven't done anything, and the submission is like very, what can I say, is very close.
the due date is close?
Due date is close. So I will pause the time.
Huh.
I will procrastinate. I will do the assignment. I will procrastinate. I will do the assignment and then resume the time.
That's so fair for the other students, right?
very fair.
I would like the time thing because I would like to go in past.
Yeah, I also want to go in past.
It's just so interesting. I love history.
And now that we, when we recall all our memories, it seems like, oh, I need to go to the past.
Yeah, this corona thing has just
And, just relive all those moments before
yes.
all this lockdown and stuff.
I would also like being invisible.
Yeah, that is also nice.
Do you have any other?
Superpowers, let me think.
I think a lot about superpowers usually, but now that I have to speak it, I'm kind of blank at this moment.
Lot of ideas in head, but not in mouth.
Yeah.
Wow, what a statement.
Is memorizing a superpower?
Memorizing, yes, I would like that.
But
Like,
then, wouldn't you also remember all the problems and pains?
True. Pros and cons.
Pros and cons. Exactly. Like every essay I used to write at the after the first paragraph, then at the next paragraph I used to write like each coin has two sides.
To look like a very intellectual
Yeah.
person.
Philosophical.
I know all these proverbs and all. I also do that sometimes. I to put some scenes to use the proverb.
Oh.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah, so back to the topic.
I guess I would like to, I would sometimes like to manipulate people. Sometimes.
Oh, that's so cool.
Like,
Like vampires.
not exactly vampires, but I would like to.
Like
manipulate.
compulsion ना
Yeah,
TVD में जैसा होता है.
I don't see it, okay? I haven't watched it.
I just reached I guess season 4 or something, and I got bored because it's just too long.
Yes, that's the reason why I'm not watching it so long.
Already we have a lot of things to do.
Exactly.
Guys, go check out the Netflix wala podcast if you haven't already. And also the nomophobia one, the second and third, I guess. Yeah,
Go check out.
go give us some more likes and views. Yeah, okay, back to the topic. Imagine there would be a radar would tell us how much off topic we are going.
Like it would go like this and pee.
Like not me promoting my own podcast episodes.
Okay, everyone does, okay? Whoever has a YouTube channel, they do promote in other episodes or something. It's natural.
Yeah, okay, so back to superpowers.
Editing does everything.
Okay, do you have anything else to add?
I had something, but I forgot.
That's so cool. But whatsoever superpower I would get, I would use it for other people's benefit and also a little of mine.
I know, yeah. People say that they will use for others' good, but we all know that they are going to use it mostly for their own good. Like saying is different, doing is different.
No, but like if you're getting something, now tell me if अभी इधर ये floods हो रहा है, तो wouldn't you use your superpower for
then,
them?
like,
At least,
situation wise we can.
yeah, at least that's what I'm saying now.
That way we can. What else? Yes, that's it.
I guess that's it for segment 1. Yeah, bye.
Time for segment 2.
So like every other podcast, segment 2, I don't have a specific intro for this topic because it's a very generalized and basic topic.
Yeah.
And I guess everyone likes, and I guess everyone would like this topic. It's about,
Books.
yeah, books.
So, what all books did you read when you were a little child, like small?
Well, I started with Dr. Seuss ka book, The Cat in the
Oh.
Hat and all. And then after that, the most basic kind of books, fairy tales. जिसमें एक
tales,
book
yeah.
में there would be many stories like Cinderella and whatever, Thumbelina.
Yeah.
And then Arabian Nights. And then after that oh my god, Journey Stilton.
Journey was-
it
oh
was
my
a
God.
it was a hit for me. Dude, I loved
That
it so
was a
much. I still have the
phase.
collection.
That was like a phase of every child. Everyone read Journey.
Yeah, and then after that, I moved forward with those thick books.
Yeah, thick books. I when I was a child, I didn't read much.
Yeah, I
Like,
remember you. She hated reading that time.
Yeah, I used to read those comics like Tinkle and all the Barbie books I had.
Magazine type.
Magazine type, yeah. It had those activities and I did those, but I didn't read anything.
Yeah, and we used to steal all the stickers from her magazines.
That was so cute, na?
Huh. Then, okay, then speaking of Journey Stilton, what would you like to say about it?
That was like a trend, so I went with the trend. I was really not sure what I was reading.
To read Diary of Wimpy Kid.
Yeah, I tried to, but I wasn't.
I love it, yeah. I still have those. My do-it-yourself book was best.
My brother had it and he had done all those things, and I was looking at the book like, what? What is this? I also want this.
Is this even a book or a diary?
Yeah.
But then you're like, it's Diary of a Wimpy
Wimpy
Kid. Okay. Yeah, so, and now, which is your favorite book?
I don't have any specific book, but I love Harry Potter series.
Harry Potter, that is again a classic one.
I'm like, I was obsessed with Harry Potter a few months back. I am, but less. Harry Potter is like the best for me right now in fiction.
Okay. What's your house?
I would like to be in Gryffindor or Ravenclaw.
But like the quizzes and all say you are Gryffindor now.
Yeah, the quizzes say I'm Gryffindor.
I am like a total Ravenclaw. Like हर quiz वही बोलता है.
I love Gryffindor. Not because Harry was in it, but it is such a cool.
If you can't hear us clearly, it's because of the winds.
Yeah, it's a very windy day.
Yeah, like what do you expect in monsoon, huh?
And the birds are also chirping.
Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, where was I? Yeah,
House.
I'm Ravenclaw. Comment down below what is your house.
And which house you like the most? Or which character you like the most?
Just something about Harry Potter.
Yeah. What
Okay.
character do you like? Harry Potter.
Harry Potter? I like all of them, yeah.
I know.
Except Umbridge, of course.
Umbridge and that Bellatrix. I
Yeah,
hate them. Like more than Voldemort.
exactly.
Okay, other than Harry Potter.
Now, like give some suggestions to the audience.
Okay, so if you haven't read Ikigai, then read that. That is a very nice
The
book.
Japanese guide something, no?
हाँ,
It is
the
called.
Japanese way
Guide
of
for-
living or something
हाँ.
like that. And what else have I read? Okay, I have read a lot of things, but I don't know what to suggest. So I have read that sequel of Immortals of Meluha. That is like if Shiva, the god, had a normal life like you and me. So it's on that. How would it be and how would he live?
Wow.
So I read those two parts. The third part I'm not getting anywhere, so I'm stuck there. And I'm recently reading To Kill a Mockingbird. So it's like
Classic.
a racism based or something. It's based on real life, so it's a nice book to read. To
Yeah,
know
all the
about
history
world.
lovers should definitely read it.
Not history, but yeah, to know
It's kind
about
of history
the
because
world.
it's true, right?
Yeah, it's true.
I would like to suggest Princess.
Yeah.
It's a book based on the princess of Saudi Arabia and the struggles in her life, and it's mesmerizing how brave she was, and it just inspires everyone. You should definitely give it a read. And then also I like when it comes to like a chill teenager kind of book, I like Those Days in Delhi,
Yeah, I've heard about that book.
because I've told a lot, because it was
Yeah.
like it was so cute, and it's just like you are reading about your life.
Actually, teenage books are very relatable to us.
At least the ones which
Yeah.
are like, the truly teenagers, not like some extravagant teenagers book.
Yeah, like
To
you
all
and
the
me,
boys, like
yeah.
to all the boys
Yeah.
book.
That's
I wouldn't
very
relate to it.
Hi-fi. Okay, then
I'm not reading anything as of now except my textbooks.
textbooks. Our English textbook is quite nice, huh?
I love Merchant of Venice. What are you saying?
Not Merchant of Venice. Merchant of Venice is also cool, but Treasure
Trove.
Treasure Trove is also nice.
Which one is your favorite till now?
Like that poem Sarojini Naidu wrote.
Naidu. God.
Sarojini Naidu wrote Bangle Sellers.
I love that.
It's like a complete summary of a woman's life in back in those days, but still it's nice.
Yeah. I like
There are many stories.
There are many nice stories, yeah. I can't choose one.
I've done only few, so I selected one.
But even I like A Face in the Dark.
Yeah, that's like a complete thriller.
That's a cliffhanger
I
at
know.
the end.
We just think what will happen to that man. Okay, off topic.
I also like A Summer in All Day.
I don't know.
The last chapter of the book. It's very nice.
I haven't read it.
Yeah, okay. Other than our English textbooks, what would you like to add? Okay, now tell me the books जिसके ऊपर movies बनती है. What do you prefer?
See, movies, let's take example of Harry Potter. Now, Harry Potter books are
Same.
so amazing.
I know, right?
And Harry Potter movies, when you read the books, you think, what a lame movie.
See, movie, if I had to appreciate something, I would really appreciate the visuals of the movie.
Yeah,
like, oh my
visuals,
god,
editing
it's
and all.
magic.
Yeah, how can they do it so perfectly? And they don't even leave a single mistake for us to spot.
Yeah, but then the changing of stories is something I didn't like
Yeah.
because they just completely changed Ron.
Ron, and the Genie. Genie is also so brave in the books and she's just different in the movies. So
Yeah.
I don't like that part. But if someone makes movies which are truly based on the book and not changing any of the plot, then I
Then
would
it's
love
good.
that.
Because sometimes I see a movie and then when I get to know, okay, iski book bhi hai, then I read the book too.
Yeah,
So it can be like that.
that's also.
Because I didn't know there was a book called To All the Boys until I saw it on Netflix. Did you?
I also didn't know.
Yeah, so that is something nice.
I was randomly scrolling on Amazon and I saw that book. And I'm like, इसके ऊपर तो movie भी है.
Okay, and what do you think about reading books online or like in real life?
I prefer in real life because
Me too.
all of the things are online, and if I be in front of the screen anymore, I'm surely getting specs.
Specs.
Yeah, I mean it's harmful for our eyes, I can say, because
Yeah.
we are a lot on screen.
Exactly.
recently. So
Now
I think,
with everything being online.
and in real life books now the feel is different.
I
The
love the smell of the pages. I mean, the first thing I do when I get a new book is open the pages and sniff.
Yeah, like those fresh pages, they smell so
Have you ever
different.
smelled some
Old-
old books?
I have.
Those are so amazing.
Some people also keep some leaf in the
Yeah,
book. And
flower or something.
wow, that's so amazing. There is no library in our area. Like
There is one.
proper.
There is one, but it's Marathi books ka.
That Marathi books.
I want to
don't-
start reading Marathi books too.
I want to, but not now.
Because I really like Karunashtak.
Please, no.
Come on, we have to speak about original books too, huh?
Karunashtak is okay. But only, I guess, ICSE students know what is Karunashtak.
Yeah.
That's not a popular book, I think. That's a nice book. Okay book.
If you're Maharashtrian, like, if you know Marathi, then you should definitely read it.
Karunashtak, yes.
Yeah, so I was telling ki I had this library since I was child and I still have those books, Purane.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you know.
I've seen.
We used to exchange a lot of books.
Yeah. Sudhamurti books.
Oh my god! Our favorite teacher,
Yeah.
she used to give us Sudhamurti books.
Actually, that was the beginning of my reading thing.
Haan, kya?
Yeah. Like,
No, but before that Journey came. But yeah, you didn't
Yeah.
like it. You just had to fit in the trend.
yeah. So, but those days I started reading.
Sudhamurti is such an inspiration.
Yeah, and
Even
if,
her interviews are good.
yeah, and if you want to read, start reading, then you should start with Sudhamurti. And the language is also very simple,
It's very easy.
very easy to understand. And also you can take her quotes also, and write it in your essays or something.
You will be getting a lot of good marks, I'm telling you.
And good impression on teacher. No but her books are very nice.
Okay, so now we have talked a lot about books. So, if you had to write a book, what would it be about? What kind of book would it
I'm
be?
fascinated by murder mysteries.
Murder mystery.
Or mysteries. Or simple mysteries also and murder mysteries also. So I guess something like that. Which has some kind of solving, some twists and turns.
Okay.
That
I
would
have
be-
written a short mystery story. I would like to narrate it in some other episode.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Like
I've
Thoko,
heard
like.
it. I've heard
Then he'll
it.
get a story. Do you know the story that I've written?
Now you told me.
Catherine one, right?
I guess. I don't remember the characters. I
Okay.
know the plot.
Yeah. So you would like to write a mystery book?
Mystery, yeah. Or even if I experience something very unusual, I'll write that. Like my own experience. Something like that.
Okay. And would you like to write horror? Because it's like kind of mystery.
I hate horror.
You hate horror?
Yeah, I hate horror. I mean, books okay, movies just. I can't. Movies. But still, books okay. I can.
Yeah,
read
that's
books.
why you ran away when we were watching Krish 3, guys.
That's not
Krish
horror,
3.
okay? That was horrible.
No, see, people were like during that infection spread when people were kind of vomiting. She ran away from my house. Like she was scared or something. I don't know.
Even I didn't see most of the scenes because it was so.
Imagine like Jadoo. You are Jadoo, so you are running.
Okay, I'm doing his handshake.
Yeah, the alien handshake. Okay. I don't know why. Okay. Yeah. So if I had to write a book, it would be about. Firstly, it could be about some teenage life, like the normal one. Like example, those days in Delhi, I would like write something like that. Or something like mystery,
Mystery, of course.
of course. But idea भी आना चाहिए ना उतना ही
Yeah.
अच्छा.
Inspiration, keep inspiration. Some very amazing murder mystery writer, and then you'll get ideas.
Yes. And we are talking about books.
About books, yeah. Teenage life, like we all the teenagers could relate to our life. It's very simple. Like,
Yeah.
Not
Like we don't go to Starbucks.
please, we are degrading ourselves. Okay,
No, but that's normal. I don't understand
I know.
some of our friends.
I
Or just
know.
put it on Snapchat story like, please live your life, don't show us. No, if you're watching, then please hit like, okay? The people who go to Starbucks are close friends, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so
Nah, it's actually my dream to go to Starbucks with my friends and eat or drink
your
something.
dream?
We can say dream, okay?
Oh my god, that's your dream.
Hypothetically.
I was thinking that in case like I have like very good essays. I'm good at writing essays, so I was thinking after 10th if I just collect all my essays till now and make a book.
That would be like Tanya's top 10 essays or something like that. And it would be recommended by schools, read those.
Then from the money we could go to Starbucks.
Enough of Starbucks, okay?
Yeah. That's your dream, okay?
Not dream, but hypothetically a dream.
And also I like writing poems.
Yeah, she likes. I can't even think about poems.
I've written 2 already. Again, I would narrate them in the upcoming podcast. So stay tuned and subscribe. Okay, so suppose you're writing a book and say I am the protagonist.
Protagonist, okay.
So how would you introduce me?
Okay, let me
Well,
think.
do you have to think because I know the perfect for you.
Okay, then you begin.
Yeah, okay. So I would take it to your room huh? And then from a window, like your angle, and I would write ki she was like you are reading a book and listening to music. That's weird, but like okay, you were doing that. And then after some time you were like sketching. I would show that you are a kind of
girl.
normal, not normal, but like a girl who is interested in art, art culture, and into books. Then
Basically me.
yeah, you.
Okay. Huh.
And then the next clip, and why am I saying clip? Like it's not a movie,
Chapter.
but understand it, okay?
Chapter,
Then I would be like, you also play sports, so that something like that. And how unbothered you are about your surroundings, like you are just okay, I am enough, and that is like you are like too mature, and that would be one of the characteristic.
Yeah.
I
I'm
would
actually
describe
like
ki-
that.
because you guys don't know, I'm just describing, you try to visualize her, okay? So I would say that she has 2 plates and her eyes are really tiny.
Okay.
And I would write, you don't have freckles, but I would write that you have freckles. It just suits your personality.
Wow, nice. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
You would just write an autobiography? What do you say?
Yeah, so that's the thing now. My question was ki if you are writing a book on me, then how would you introduce me?
Okay, basically describing you.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are so great. I don't have any words.
That's
No. I'll say. So you like music a lot. I know that. You have downloaded like every single song. Then no, you like reading. You write amazing. So I would portray you like you write when you are very happy or very sad. You write.
oh my god.
Okay. Then maybe you are amazing artist. So maybe when you feel very inspired or motivated, you just take off those brushes and start painting canvases
Wow.
and all.
That is my dream.
Okay. Then in your free time, maybe you chill with your friends, of course.
Yeah. The only 2-3 friends I've
Okay,
got.
shut up. This is not a depressing podcast. No, you would do something. Then you like to cycle, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Daily routine.
But like some of my friends, for example, this alien from Mars, can't just seem to fix her own cycle.
There is no shop open. What can I do? And see, I'm an alien. People are not familiar with me. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And
Then
I would also describe you as I don't know what those flowers are called.
what flowers? Describe them to me. I'll
Have you
tell
seen the movie October का पोस्टर?
Oh,
उसमें वो जो उसको
Those
क्या बोलते
orange
हैं?
and white flowers.
हाँ, जिसमें बीच में it is orange and the petals are white and they just lay on the
don't know,
ground. They're
but-
so peaceful. That's you for sure.
Oh, am I? Thank you.
That's so cheap. Like, am I? Thank you.
You know, like people symbolize me with something. I'm like, wow, I am like that. It feels so good.
Yeah, give me the money.
Okay, then you. Okay, that one characteristic of this girl is like
This girl,
She-
girl, you could just say my name or
this
what.
person. No, I'll say this person is that she is always like, I don't have friends.
Chup re.
Okay, no, that was a joke. No.
Yeah, all my 1-2 friends would be sad.
Okay, no. We want a happy life.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe you have a dog. In my book, you have a dog.
I thought you were symbolizing me with a dog, and I was like, what? What?
No. Not a dog. But dog is not bad.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying now.
What flower would you be? Okay, that would be some other podcast maybe.
A whole podcast for what flower would I be? I would just take a BuzzFeed quiz.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, but like a tree, you know, very cool tree.
Now, for all the audience, if you had to write an autobiography, what would you title the book? Comment down below,
Yeah.
and also spam with emojis. Which emoji would you like?
Coconut tree. That is easily available on the emoji thing, okay? I searched that crow in when you said that. Put a
That's
crow.
so strange. You'd be
No.
like, what emoji do you want? And I'm like, coconut tree.
See, I can see multiple coconut trees right
Oh
now.
yeah, that makes sense.
I can see multiple coconut trees, that's why. You can put coconut.
Yeah, and also you can put a. I'm just searching in my surroundings. Put
Put sun.
no, put a paintbrush or palette or something.
Yeah, that's nice. Or a book.
Or book. Book. We talked almost for half an hour about book, and now we are like
What emoji should you put?
coconut tree. Okay, but it was too fun to have you on the podcast.
Yes.
We will do one more about what flower would I be. No, but jokes aside, it was really fun, this podcast, and I will try my best to keep it every weekend. So stay tuned, subscribe, do the honors. You should do it. You're the
Subscribe
guest.
and share if you want to. Like, of course, like. Increase the views, guys. This is nice.
And share and spam the comment section.
With whatever you want, okay?
I will also put the Instagram ID.
Bro, it's a private account.
Oh,
I wouldn't
but you have an
expect-
art account, right?
Yeah, but I've kept it
Okay.
private.
Anyways, she doesn't
Put
want.
your
Yeah, I'll put
Instagram
mine.
handle.
Just go and follow me because it's amazing. My art is amazing.
Follow me and then there's a task. Search me. My name is in the description.
That's stupid.
I know, but still it's fun.
Okay, so have a good week and see you next weekend. Bye. Don't
Bye.
spread hate, spread.
Pixie dust.
Well, you know it. I was just trying if you know. Okay, bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I wish you a nice week. THANKYEWW.